Do repetitive tasks in Excel take up too much of your time? What if you could cut that time in half just by adding one powerful menu? Hi there, I'm Bastian, the founder of ASAP Utilities. We are honored to have won the Best Microsoft Excel Add-in in 2025 award. For over 25 years, ASAP Utilities has helped users worldwide save time and do what Excel alone cannot. If a task in Excel feels slow or repetitive, ASAP Utilities likely has a tool to do it faster. Our mission is to free you from time-consuming tasks in Excel so you can focus on what really matters. And don't just take our word for it. It is rated excellent with a 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot with thousands of reviews from Excel users. I invite you to experience the difference. Try ASAP Utilities free for 90 days and see why nearly 1 million users wouldn't want to work in Excel without it.